And next thing you know, she asked me if she could stay. And I'm like, bitch, that's not what I paid you for.
Aren't they just the worst? Oh my god.
Explain yourself.
Yes, expound.
Look, guys, I know this looks bad, but I promise you I'm not sick. Then what the hell was that?
Yeah, we don't make that kind of noise around here.
I swear to God, I am not infected. Okay, let's just calm down and think about this for a second, alright? I'm sorry, man, but that's not happening. I'm not taking any...
You double-crossing prick. What you mean I have something in my throat?
Yeah, a viral deep throat.
Hey, fuck you, bro.
No, fuck you!
I'm not the one that's infected.
Shit. Oh, and the plot thickens. Okay, guys, I know we're all scared, but let's just calm down and assess the situation like rational human beings. The only situation I'm going to assess is the fact that I'm surrounded by two sickly sons of bitches. Right, because I'm the one that raw dogged a bunch of hookers. You leave them bitches alone. I ought to clip you right here, right now.
Go right ahead.
I'll spray you in the face, bitch. You try it. You just fucking try it.
Shut the fuck up! Both of you!
Now look, I think we're really jumping the gun over here. I mean, how do we really know if we're infected? Because if you really think about it, we only just coughed once. Just once. You're right. It was just once, coincidentally after you coughed, but true nonetheless. Alright, so we're good. So how about we just put our disinfectants down and continue the hooker story? Fine by me. That would be the viable option. Alright, we do it on 3. Ready? 1, 2...